Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unprotect Excel sheet. Let's get started. From time to time, you might need to edit information on a locked and protected spreadsheet. If that's the case, we need to remove the spreadsheet protection so that we can make the necessary changes. There are two ways a spreadsheet can be protected. One of them is without a password, so basically, anyone can unprotect it. On the other case, we're dealing with a password-secured sheet, which means you'll need to have the password at hand or ask for it from the person who locked the sheet. To unprotect the spreadsheet, follow the same steps whether the sheet is password protected or not. Right-click at the bottom, where you can see the sheet name, find and select the option Unprotect Sheet. If there's no password, the sheet becomes editable right away. However, if someone set a password for this sheet, you need to enter the password to unprotect it. We'll type it in, and here we go. The spreadsheet has been unlocked, which means you can edit it and make any necessary changes. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.